Communication comes in many forms through your Reach softphone. It even enables you to chat with internal contacts. If you would like to send a chat, use the Search Contact or Type Number section to search for a contact. Or you can navigate to your favourites, if you have added the contact there. Hover over the contact. Then select the Start Chat icon. Click in the message box at the bottom of the chat pop-up window and type the text. Then click on the Send button to send the chat. If the user is not available, you may receive a message back notifying you that the message couldn't be delivered. If you do not have the Start Chat icon against a contact, it may be because they are not an internal user or that they are not logged into their Reach softphone or mobile application. When you receive a chat, you will hear a notification sound and your Now Reach tray icon will be flashing orange. To open the chat, navigate to the Now Reach tray icon and click your left mouse button. Then move your mouse up to the flashing tile and click on the left mouse button again. You can now reply to the chat. Simply click in the message box at the bottom of the chat window and type in your response. To send the reply, click on the Send button. For privacy reasons, your history will be removed when you close the chat window.